Alright, this is a recap for Thursday, 12th of September 2024. Let's see, let's start on the higher time frame. Yeah, so going into yesterday, I did have a bullish bias, so we started here on London, and then we tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap, and then we just went higher. That's how the day went. But yeah, starting here, I did have a bullish bias just because of the higher time frame, market structure, order flow. Okay, here. So right here is where London opened. And I was waiting for this to get swept and then take a long setup. But London didn't really give good setups. I think there was this one here with the SMT. But it's not a singular, and it was way too big. So it would have been right here, or I guess on the retrace. Target, maybe this. Yeah, but I didn't take this one because I don't know, the fair value gap was just, it was too big, and I did have a bullish bias, so it's not something that I wanted to take. And that's pretty much all we got for London. I think, like, if there was a setup here, maybe that would have been good. Target here. But we didn't get the setup, so it's fine. And then right here, London closes, and then we had 830 PPI, so we got these data highs. And I took this trade right here, I believe. Yeah, I believe I took this one. But I took this on eval just because it looked like we were in a market maker sell model, so I was anticipating this low to get taken first. But we didn't. But it's fine because I took it on eval. But I did get stopped at break even. Let me see. I forgot where. Might have been this or this. I think. But yeah, I had this recorded on the live stream, so yeah, I forgot which one I took. But yeah, that was the one set for life. And there was this entry here that's good in hindsight, but in lifetime I didn't want to take it because it's the fair value gap was too small. And I mean we were delivering off this BPR and then we had SMTs maybe, or we didn't have SMTs. What is this? 956, 1008. Oh yeah, so we made this lower low, higher low, lower low, or I guess a low and then a higher low. So yeah, there was no SMT here. There's no liquidity sweep either, but I think if we got this liquidity sweep, then I would have had more confidence taking this 1 minute, one set per life. But unfortunately, I didn't. And then after that, there was this, which was there SMT 1034? No. So yeah, this one I think I would have took, or I mean, I wouldn't have taken, but I would have looked for this if we swept this liquidity. I saw this play out as well, but the close was just too low for my liking. So yeah, I decided to stay out. And then there was this one. Yeah, this one was really good. Yeah, this one was good, but we had this fair value gap that I was longing into. So maybe I could have got in on the close, targeted this move, stop the break even at this fair value gap low, and then I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But yeah, I didn't take it because of this external fair value gap. And then there's this one right here. Which I also didn't take. Yeah, no SMT. It is a pretty good candle, but the time is not the best, and we had um big moves earlier in the session, so I wasn't so confident in taking it. And like if you look at it here, the delivery is pretty choppy, so I didn't really want to take this here, but it would have worked in hindsight. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for today. Going into tomorrow, we have these highs that we're drawing towards. So I'd still expect I'm still overall bullish, but since tomorrow is a Friday, we could expect a reversal into maybe this level right here. Uh, which would be, yeah, like 70 points, 80 points. So it's not that big. So we could expect something like, is here is something like go top here and then run higher. I think that's what I will be looking for. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's it for today's recap. I mean, I think I'm pretty happy with myself. I was able to kind of just let these play out without entering, not getting FOMO, just watching price action. I was able to predict where it was gonna go or where it was likely to go. I just couldn't. I didn't have the conviction to get in. So, and I mean, I don't really mind that I didn't get in because they weren't like A plus setups for me. They were like A setups. Right? It was like each setup was missing something. Or I mean, this one was an A plus setup, but we got stopped at break even. And then the rest, it was like no liquidity sweep or like the external fair value gap, right? Time. So I'm not too frustrated that I didn't get in on these moves. I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow, wait for more opportunities, wait for more setups, and just stay patient, take my A plus setups, and I think that's how I'm gonna be profitable. Right? So see you guys tomorrow. God bless.